It's pretty straightforward, but it's exciting. 1 dehydrator, 6 stainless steel trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, a recipe book, and more. A few, or a lot, of your favorite foods all go on the trays. Then you slide your trays in. With only 4 buttons, the options aren't complicated. Just set the temperature, then set the time. Those are the basics. The process is mesmerizing and extremely satisfying. You might find it tempting to level up, especially once you find thick-cut bacon in the fridge. Or some marinated meat that you'll pay your roommate back for. Once you've mastered that, there's no stopping you. For instance, can you really be satisfied with plain old ice cream? When you can magically transform fruit into fruit paste, into fruit leather, into garnish? Oh, those beets? Let's whip up some beet powder. And there we have it, beet powder a la mode. Voila! Much better. Endless, amazing possibilities. We're rooting for you, dehydrator connoisseur. Live life tastefully with Kasori.
The Bagel Guillotine is the simple, safe, and quick solution to slicing perfect bagels every time. Slicing bagels is fast and easy. Just place your bagel in the compartment, grip the handle, and push down. The stainless steel blade does the work for you. Serrated edges cut neatly through the bagel, slicing it perfectly. You can place large or small bagels in the compartment. The access slot makes removing them simple. At the same time, your fingers are protected from the blade by an acrylic safety shield. Cleanup is also fast and easy. The Bagel Guillotine can be placed in the top rack of your dishwasher. Best of all, the Bagel Guillotine has an attractive design, so you can leave it out on your counter for everyday use. The Bagel Guillotine is the simple, safe, and quick solution to slicing perfect bagels every time.